Today we're going to be building a 5-gallon bucket for hydroponic tomatoes. It's an easy process, you need a couple parts, and you can do either one plant or a stringer of plants. It's all up to you how far you want to go. So let's get started with this. Here I have a 5-gallon bucket, and inside here are the pieces we need. We need a 5-gallon strainer. We need 2 1/2-inch elbows. We need a rubber grommet that I mentioned before that we got at Home Depot in the plumbing department. And we need a piece of 1/2-inch PVC. Now I cut this to 7 inches, and we're going to drill a hole right here about 2.5 inches up. So here we go. Now what we want to do here is make sure we clean it out. It'll make it easier for the grommet to get in there, and it'll make it easier for the PVC pipe to slip in through the grommet. So let me clean it. All right, I'm going to use a little bit of WD-40 just like I did last time. It's a really tight fit. So I'm going to see if I get, there we go, a little bit of WD-40, and this puppy's in there. So now we have, you can see the pipe is on the inside and the outside sealed pretty tight. Now we put a 90 inside facing down. You don't need any glue. And another 90 on the outside. And you can adjust this guy to about center, leaving enough room outside of the tank to have your downspout, and then it looks like that when it's complete. All right, that's the hardest part. Now the rest of it is simple. You have to put a 5-gallon paint strainer in the bucket. It just drops in like that. And then this is filled with perlite. I'm going to try one of these buckets with the cocoa core and see how that works. But last year, my tomato production with 5 buckets, 3 of which being tomatoes, beefsteak, and 2 of them with green peppers, they came out phenomenally. Or is that the right word? They came out great. So this time I have some 70-day tomatoes because I'm in Florida and it is December. But I have a volunteer tomato in the back in my garden, in my regular garden, and it's producing like crazy. So I thought, what the heck? I'll give it a try here. So let me get the perlite. The perlite will be just dumped in here in the net. Now this is perlite that I used last year for the production. It was rinsed and saved. I got to get a little bit more in here. But your tomato is going to sit right in the top of that. So there we go. This part is finished. And then the last part you have is your tray on top, and we're going to drill a hole in the center for the tomato plant to stick out. All right, we're all set to drill our hole, but for video magic, I have it done already. It's a 4-inch hole. It'll slip over the top of the tomato plant, which is right in here in the perlite, and you're good to go. Okay, thanks for watching. This bucket's ready to go now, and you can have your 5-gallon bucket of solution underneath, a fertilizer solution, and then as you use it, you pour it in here, it'll drain back off, and you can use it again and again and again. 5 gallons of fertilizer will last a long time for one plant. So enjoy growing, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out this other video here on how to do the grow tub that I also made. Thank you.